Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Teller Tarot, a 78 card and tarot deck. This retails for $55.55. It's independent, and as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Thank you, Teller, for sending this our way. So a little bit about this: unlock the power of intuition with our contemporary twist on the classic Rider-Waite-Smith tarot deck. Each card features bright and detailed illustrations that breathe new life into this traditional divination tool. Printed on thick, high-quality paper, these cards are built to withstand countless tellings and shuffles. The durable box ensures your deck stays safe and pristine in the shipping process. So this includes the 78 cards and a guidebook. I'm loving the color scheme so far. There's the guidebook. Oh, look at that back. This is giving me like Andy Warhol vibes, Miami, or what is the other, Malibu vibes as well with the color scheme. I don't despise that. I think that's really cool. Okay, so insight on tarot, purifying and caring for your deck, major and minor, and then the suits, what they represent. And we have some spreads here. We have 1 card, 3 card, year ahead forecast, intuitive spread, and then it goes into the cards here. Oh, and it's color printed. Awesome. Okay, so far quality is really nice. There's the back of the cards here. Very fun. Cardstock is a little bit on the thinner side, but it still has that sturdiness to it. I'm not mad at this. I think it'll shuffle really nice. Snaps back. Awesome. Okay, and it is not a gloss. I wouldn't call it a high gloss. There is some shininess there, but I'm going to call it a matte. Okay. Oh, we have different borders as well. Border colors here. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to go how they're doing it here from back to front here with the King of Swords we're starting with first. I really like these colors. What a cool twist. This is definitely modernizing the Rider-Waite-Smith deck for sure. Ooh. And I like the big print at the bottom. That's really nice. And then you still have the Roman numeral up top. I feel like it's a little bit more condensed, a little bit more minimalized, but it's still giving me all the intuitive hits. Oh, that's pretty. I really like the colors. I think it's fun. All right, and cups. Yeah, it is so giving me Andy Warhol, and in the best way. Pop art style. So if you're a fan of the traditional imagery but want something fresh and new, this is fun. Oh, I love that. That's fun. Ooh. And pentacles. It's always fun to see revamped versions of the Rider-Waite-Smith style, to see what people do with it. I like these colors. I think this is fun, very engaging, and it's not like, at least to me, it's not too vibrant. It's easy on the eyes, but still being very dynamic and bright. We're in wands now. Yeah, everything's there. I'm loving this black cat. I love the expression. Ooh, that's fun. I'm excited to get into the guidebook. Oh, wow. All right, and the majors. So there's the cover art. This deck is definitely a vibe. Oh, I like the hermit. Mm. That's really cool. Oh, I love that. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Oh, okay. Yeah, I am not mad at that. There we go. Definitely feels good in the hand. Flexible, snaps back, and it shuffles great this way too. All right, can I get a card to read, please? Okay, we're gonna read for King of Pentacles. There we go. Okay, it looks like we just have the picture and then just some keywords here. So wealth, stability, and discipline for upright, and then reversed, financial problems, greed, lack of responsibility. And then the same goes for the major. So always, if you need a little extra information to help you with the meanings of the cards, reference books are great. I'm not mad at this. I think that this is great for those of you who kind of like are already familiar with tarot, but as well as it's easy for those of you who are beginners as well, because they look like perfect definitions. So I'm not mad about that. And some people like to be quick and to the point there as well. So all in all, I think this is very fun. It's vibrant. It's different. It's a great rendition. I like the quality. It feels really good in the hands. I think that it's going to last a while. I really don't have anything negative to say about it. I think it's really cool, different, and I'm not mad at the price either. Yeah. So thank you so much to Teller for sending this our way. I am really excited to play around with it and get to know it. I would love to know what you guys think about this deck down in the comment section below. What are your thoughts? Do you like the pop arty feel, the bright colors, or do you prefer the original version of the Rider-Waite-Smith deck? Let me know all your thoughts. And thank you so much for being here. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.